So welcome back to the kitchen. I'm joined by Darren and Damon again. Welcome back. We're looking at the inflation of food prices and different cuts of meat that can be utilised for your menus.
What you've got here is a red tractor, farm assured silverside flat, and what we're going to do out of this, we're going to utilise this and get about 3 or 4 cuts out of it.
Let's see what you can do.
Okay, I'll mind my fingers. To make the most out of the joint of meat and to make it more profitable, what we've come down to is the joint. Then you've got your braising steaks. Then we've got medallions.
Nice centre plate cooker.
Yeah, definitely. And then you've got a mini roast. You probably get 3 or 4 people out of that, and it's something different.
Yeah.
So you can get more money for it. Also, because this is a red tractor farm assured product, the quality's there. Customer's going to have a lot more confidence because of the red tractor farm assured label and badge.
And then just to finish off, we've just cooked off one of these, served it on some mash with some peppercorn sauce, just to show you.
Looks very nice. I
Thanks.
think I might have to get me knife and fork.
Go for it.
And now what we've got here is the chicken inner fillets, which is the inside of a chicken breast. And the way that the chicken market's going at the moment, with all the troubles around the world, this is a cheaper option to chicken breast and also chicken thigh. So you can utilise these and do so much more with these than you could do with thighs and breasts.
Like we've done there, really. Just
yeah, definitely.
We've skewered some for a teriyaki dish.
Yep.
And then just char grilled with some barbecue sauce.
So the chicken prices are going up. So instead of raising that dish price on your menu, you can use these as an alternative.
And stay the same.
Absolutely.
Like you say, really tasty. And across different menu parts.
Yeah, definitely.
So yeah. Well done.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.